The doctor told her that the cancer would give her just 3 more months. The only known treatment options may extend life, but the quality of life would be taken. If that were you, what would you do? Would you explore your treatment options? Explore the ocean? Explore the treetops? Explore you? The answer is, you would live. So Live is a nonprofit driven to not only increase the quantity of our days, but especially the quality. It orchestrates So Live moments to raise funds for effective, non-toxic cancer treatments. With each sunrise we are blessed to see, we are given the choice. Today shall I exist, or today should I live? So Live is dedicated to those, regardless of their situation, who wake up and say, today I will live. With great love and support we say, So Live. She found a better treatment option. 20 years later, she's still creating those So Live moments. Help us conquer cancer. Join the So Live movement.